Hi guys, welcome to Tamil Cybersecurity. Today we can see about HTTP in details topic in Tryhackme. Let's get started guys. First, what is HTTP and HTTPS given definition I already do in before video because there are what is HTTP, what type working in HTTP, HTTPS, hypertext transfer protocol. S means security. Uh, One second, guys. Okay. There are when we created HTTP and when we created HTTPS, there are give definition. You can read, guys. I will going to answer the question below. What what does HTTP stand for? HTTP stand for means hyper text transfer, sorry guys, transfer PROTOS your protocol. I giving space because I do not give space. Second question, what does the S stand for? HTTPS stand for uh, hyper text transfer protocol. Secure security means other secure summit. Sorry guys, as your answer is correct. On the mock website on the right there is a issue. Once you are found it, click on it. What is the challenge flag? I click here. They'll give the flag and copy the flag and paste here. Give OK. I paste it. Enter. As your answer is correct. I exit flip view. Okay. Next topic means request and response. I already told which is request response. Um, this is what is URLs. If you are used in the internet, you used URL before. A URL is permanently in the instructions and how to access a research on the internet. The below image show what a URL looks like with all for its features. It does not use all features in every request. Uh, example take this Tryhackme. HTTP means scheme. Uh, User password means user what user they're using in Chrome or Firefox, etc. And this only domain name, tryacme.com, this only domain name, or another name is host. uh, and next, we cannot see the port because the port is hidden for security. Yeah, this image we can see the port 80 and view room means their path. I which path in my have means room. ID equal to 1 means query string and one second guys. Fragment means in this website I what are doing, which video we can watching, etc. uh, that only told here. Scheme means the instructions on what protocol to use for asking the research such as HTTPS, HTTP, FTP, file transfer protocol. Use means some receive request authentication to login. You can put your username and password into URL to login. If you going any website, first you can see means login or sign up. Next only you go into the website deeply. Host means the domain name or IP address or server you wish to access. First you can type in google.com. You IP address go in Google server. They gather your IP address and locations and which uh, uh, website you are using, or Google Firefox, etc. Worst port means the port that you are going to connection to, usually 80 for HTTP and 443 for HTTPS, but it can be worst for any port between 1 to 65,535 ports in have. Path means the file name or location of the research you are trying to access. Query string means extra bits for informations that can be sent to the request path. For example, blog id equal to 1 could tell the HTTP blog path that you are wish you received the blog articles which the id for one. You can where you can see means in Bugsuit their backend, we can see what your request response gettings, what you are asking, etc. uh, Fragment means it is a reference for the location on the actual page request. This is commonly used for page with long content and can have certain part of page directly linked to this, so it is viewable to use and soon they access the page. That only giving some diagram because the HTTP gets HTTP one, that only. If you are Bugsuit means if you are using Bugsuit, you already know because they have a get HTTP one, host name, etc. Backend what you are going in the server that you see in Bugsuit. That one Bugsuit this only have uh, get HTTP host Tryhackme user agent. I am using Mozilla or Google. Uh, Refers means we can access which website, that website name. uh, if you are trying tryacme.com, google.com, etc. I'm going to answer the question. What HTTP protocol is being used in the above example? About example means HTTP one, this only using. I copy this and paste here, enter. Yes, sure, answer. What response header tells that browser how much data to export? Export means export the content type. Header tells the clients what sort for information is going to the send, such as HTML, image, video, PDF, XML. That only. I content type. Oh, content. One second, guys. The content type header. I think header. Oh, content type header not hello. T. Guys, content length tells the kind how much long the response is where to be confirmed no data is missing. That only. I put it wrong. First I erase and change. Okay. Next HTTP. Sorry guys. HTTP method. HTTP method is a way to for client to show their intent actions when making the HTTP request. There are a lot of HTTP method, but we are cover the most common ones. Although mostly we have deal with the get and post method. Get request. This is used for getting the information from the web server. Post request. This is used for submitting data to the web server and potential creating new records. Put request. This is used for submitting data to a web server to update information. Delete request. This is used for deleting informations record from the web server. uh, Answer the questions. What method could be used to create a new user account? New user account means we can see here only new user account post post. Yes. What method could be used to update to your email address? Update means put. What method could be used to remove a picture you will upload to your account? Delete. 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 Next question. What method could be used to view a new article? Mm, New article means get. I think get only. Get. Yes. Next task for HTTP status codes. There are giving lot of status because if you know you have any request sorry, if you visit any website, you go and there have one there are no monetization because there are 403 error, 404 error, 503 error means the website does not have because the website does not maintains because there are no money and subdomains that only not maintains. There only give this 400 error and 404 error. They give you see first here there are sent to tell the client the first part of the request has been accepted and there should be continue send as the rest of the request the code are no longer very common. Okay. There are commands http status and common http status code and they're giving answer. Here what response code might you have received if you will create a new user of the blog post articles. You create a blog post articles. Create a new blog post articles. If you see create a new blog post articles means 201 create. I think 201. Yes, your answer is correct. What response code might you received if you are treated to access a page does not exit? I think does not exit means 404. 404. Yes. What response code might you received if your web server cannot access in database and applications crashed? Applications crashed. Applications crashed. Database. Hmm. Applications scratched. Here only I saw. Wait, guys, I will tell you. Database, browser, new website, database, browser. When response code, when a response code, web server, I think 400. Oh no, it is not a wrong answer. Wait, guys, application scratched. Okay, guys, I got finally server cannot access 503. And what response code might you receive if you are trying to edit your profile without a login in first? Login in first. I think answer login credentials. Username password has login credentials 401. 401. The answer is correct. Next questions. Fifth header. Header. Okay. A header means there are 403, 503 header that only. Wait, guys. I will website checks. Comments not 403 and 503. Yes, this is yours only. uh, okay guys, we are coming to answer the questions. What header tells the web servers what browser is behind user hyphen. First guys, I will type user hyphen agent, agent, agent. Yes, what header tells the browser what type of data is behind running, sorry, returned. Returned content. Okay, I will type content type type. What header says the web server which website is behind request. Behind request means host. And we got next task is cookies. Cookies means okay, yes, cookies means the, if you know cookies, go and see your settings and options, go to cookies. Cookies means if you are login credentials and password, if you want to say means there stay only in cookies, that only cookies asking. And if you want to uh, going to another website, they ask some your user credentials, because if you what you seeing, if you not put cookies means the third party hackers, they easily uh, target your website. That only cookies we can using. And your details, some verify your which locations, or if you are a good guy or a bad request, that only using cookies. The answer is one second guys. Yes, cookies. Which header is used to save cookies if your computer? I think set cookies or COOIE. Yes, set cookie. Last, making request. You said okay. Uh, Change your HTTP request method. Change your URL there. Update your get and post parameters there. Click there to send your request. Mm, mm, okay. First, make a get request to room. Mm, I request ROM room and go. They're giving flag room. This only welcome to the room flag. I copy here and paste here. Enter the answer is correct. Make a get request block and using the gray icon, set the ID parameter to 1 in the URL file. Uh, Put a block or get only. Here is the room blog, and settings you can key. If you want to key, okay, key means id is equal to 1 value. Save and close it. Go. If you there flag for a blog, and copy and paste here. Enter the answer. Make a delete request to use /1 user /1. I put in delete, block erase, delete te. Yes, no, user one. user slash one. Yes, user slash one. And delete the id. First I delete the id. Delete the id. uh, okay, there I empty the id. First I check empty the id. I empty here and go. Oh, delete IDs is okay. Copy here and paste here. Delete ID. Yes. Next step means make a put request to user to within the username parameter set as admin. Hint: click the settings. Go to add a parameter to put request. Okay, put request. I first erase, close it, and go here. Put. First I change put, and here user 1 IRS and 2 only we are seeing user 2 and add some parameters. Parameter means user name, uh, value admin. Save and close it. Go, use as update thm. Okay, copy in, paste. The answer is correct. Next question is post the username of them thm and the password of let tm to login. Okay, post and post. Sorry guys, once again. Post username thm. Okay, uh, login, 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 and delete the user erased login. Put next, delete first and put password sorry guys, username thm. Save and another had password let em. Save letmein. Okay, closed. Go, there give the flag, copy and paste here and enter. That's all guys, we can finish the congratulation. You have finished the room http details. Thank you guys. If you want to more videos, do not forget my YouTube channel Tamil Cyber Security. Bye guys, I will see you in next video.